everyone, mga pangga. How are you today? I am good, hope you are too. So today's vlog, I'm gonna show or unbox 3 equipments or necessary items that are good to bring when you're planning or going on a camping. By the way, weather now here in UAE is quite cool. So we plan to go in the next few days to one park at lake that I will reveal to you in my next video for sure. And we decide when we are there, we will try to do barbecue roasting, cooking something, making pasta, salad, enjoying the moment and just having fun. And now without further delay, I will unbox and show you first what I've got here. Barbecue. Set aside. So this is our barbecue set. Let me see what I can do with this. So this is like this is like for where you put the, I think here, for the charcoal. I am finding where, okay, here. Alright, this is cool. Alright. It's like very convenient, and we'll place it here. All right, so you're ready for your barbecue. Marinate your meat first. Haha. This is cool. You can hold here as well, where you can fold here and there if it's transferred to other area. Okay, great. Next in line is our Stanley Fry Pan Set. Opening it now. What is the cover? The manual. I think this is the cutting board. Nice, like durable. 2 sporks. It's cute. This is, I think, spatula. A spatula. This is like this handle to get to take the food. 2 plates. Cute. This is, I think, trivet or under when the food is hot or the pan is hot. And this is the pan. 3-ply frying pan. It's quite heavy. And this is for the handle. Oh, cool. You see that? And you're ready to fry or to cook something. Okay. You just press it here to put it back. Alright. I'm doing it. Alright. And here, press it here even also. It's all-in-one fry pan set. It's 9-piece nesting set and serves for 2 people. I showed you already the locking fry pan handle. It's great. Remember the last time I showed you this cook set, and we used it in our mountain hiking vlog. So we got 2 sets here. And the last but not the least, and we are struggling to get it, is this ambience lamp. I'm not sure if it is available now, but I think this is the last piece. So we will open it. Okay. Alright. Manual. Oh wow. This is too cute and cool. Let me try to light it. Rotate to adjust brightness. I think here. Oh. Wow. Alright. I think we can adjust the brightness also as well. If you want little bright or brighter or brightest. So this is brightness adjustment. And you can rotate it. Smart controls, multiple lamps, Bluetooth connectivity, and portable. Okay, so let's see where we can charge the USB, because it's rechargeable. Okay, here in this area. Alright, here. So USB rechargeable here. This area. This one is like rubber. So that's all for today's vlog. So please watch in my next video. I'm gonna show you how I'm using this all. If you do have comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to write down below. Sa sunod na pod, amping permi. Take care always.